Welcome back to MSKTV. Today's lesson is Learn Order of Operations the Easy Way, Foundations and Tricks, Math for Kids, Series 22. This lesson is designed and structured for learners in grades 3 and 4, as well as beginners taking their first steps in math. Hello again, dear parents, educators, young learners, and math lovers. Thank you to all our subscribers. This is your channel. Please share our lessons to help more kids learn math the easy and fun way. Are you ready for another exciting math episode? Let's begin with the order of operations. But what is the order of operations? It's a special set of rules that tells us which part of a math problem to solve first when there's more than one operation. If we don't follow the same rules, everyone might get a different answer, and that would be confusing. So, math gives us a clear order to follow, the basic rules of order of operations. Work inside parentheses first. Then do multiplication or division. Finally, do addition and subtraction. Remember this magic phrase, parentheses, multiply, add, subtract. To remember the steps, think of the fun word, pa mu ad su. Part 1. Add and subtract with parentheses. When there are parentheses, solve inside them first. Example 1. 7 minus, inside the parentheses, 3 plus 2 equals what? Step 1. Inside the parentheses, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Step 2. Subtract. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Hence, 7 minus, in the parentheses, 3 plus 2 equals 2. Example 2. 15 minus, inside the parentheses, 5 plus 2 equals what? Step 1. Inside the parentheses, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Step 2. Subtract. 15 minus 7 equals 8. So, 15 minus, inside the parentheses, 5 plus 2 equals 8. Part 2. Add, subtract, multiply with no parentheses. When there are no parentheses, we follow the rule. Multiplication comes before addition or subtraction. Example 1. 9 plus 3 times 3 minus 10 equals what? Step 1. Multiply first. 3 times 3 equals 9. Step 2. Rewrite. 9 plus 9 minus 10. Step 3. Add and subtract from left to right. 9 plus 9 equals 18, then 18 minus 10 equals 8. Hence, 9 plus 3 times 3 minus 10 equals 8. Example 2. 30 minus 5 times 2 minus 5 equals what? Step 1. Multiply first. 5 times 2 equals 10. Step 2. Rewrite. 30 minus 10 minus 5. Step 3. Subtract left to right. 30 minus 10 equals 20, then 20 minus 5 equals 15. Therefore, 30 minus 5 times 2 minus 5 equals 15. Part 3. Add, subtract, multiply with parentheses. When both multiplication and parentheses are included, do parentheses first, then multiplication, then addition or subtraction. Example 1. 5 times, inside the parentheses, 3 plus 7 minus 2 equals what? Step 1. Inside the parentheses, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Step 2. Multiply. 5 times 10 equals 50. Step 3. Subtract. 50 minus 2 equals 48. Hence, 5 times, inside the parentheses, 3 plus 7 minus 2 equals 48. Example 2. Inside the parentheses, 7 minus 3 plus 3 times 2 equals what? Step 1. Inside the parentheses, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Step 2. Multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Step 3. Add. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Hence, inside the parentheses, 7 minus 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 10. Practice time, order of operations quiz. Question 1. 12 minus, inside the parentheses, 4 plus 3 equals what? Which answer is correct? Choose the option that fits. Option A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is option A. Question 2. 20 minus 2 times 5 plus 3 equals what? Which answer is correct? Choose the option that fits. Option A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is option C. Question 3. 6 times inside the parentheses 2 plus 4 minus 5 equals what? Which answer is correct? Choose the option that fits. Option A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is option B. Homework time. Now it's your turn. Solve these problems and write your answers. Question 1. 18 minus, inside the parentheses, 7 plus 6 equals what? Question 2. 40 minus 3 times 8 equals what? Question 3. Inside the parentheses, 10 plus 5 times 2 minus 4 equals what? Great job! Your effort deserves recognition. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in series number 23 only on MSKTV. We kindly invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video with your parents, teachers, and friends. Your support encourages us to keep creating fun and inspiring math lessons for learners everywhere.